Well, I'll tell you, it is not true. Well, as far as I'm concerned, with what I've been doing here in Moscow and Canada and all, there is no form of racism here. You are doing your thing, I'm doing my thing. Everybody is doing their stuffs. Nobody is disturbing you. Nobody is asking you for no police harassment.
Hello guys, this is Dear Mike. Welcome to Dear Mike, and today I'm with a special person. I'm with Sunkky Travel. Uh, Sunkky Travel is your best plug when it comes to coming down to Russia through education means. Do you understand? Today, you guys have been asking me, okay, how do I gain admission? How do I settle down in Russia and everything? I promise you guys, I'm gonna expatiate on that. So I feel like instead of me to do a sit-down video and I'll be telling you, let me bring experts, people you could trust, people you could deal with. And today I'm with Sunkky Travels. Mr. Sunkky,
Yeah.
welcome to my channel.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Sunkky, I really want to let you tell my audience how long you've been in this business and what should they expect from you.
Okay, hello viewers. Actually, like dear Mike has given us the permission to address you today. I would like to express my gratitude to him, and I will also indulge you to kindly continue to support him. Okay, to quickly answer his question, we've been into agency business since 2019, as far as I can remember. So I think talking about experience, we have a whole lot of it on ground actually. And also about settling down and coming down here, it is very easy actually. We are going to be releasing subsequent videos actually, so that you can actually see that this is actually very easy. About settling down here, once you start your admission processes with us, we can guarantee you in a matter of 1 month, you should have seen that you are here in Moscow already. By then, you should be seeing that you are in Moscow already. Just a month, you can just give us a trial within a month. Then you will know that settling down is really our job to do.
Not everybody that want to come to Synergy University, of course. So can they still contact you for other university outside Moscow?
Yes, of course. We're actually doing that actually. If you visit our page, I think it's going to be our link actually. It's going to be you can see it in his bio actually. If you visit the website, you are going to be seeing it there that we actually do traveling to other countries as well. Also, particularly here in Moscow, we are not limited to Synergy University alone. We are working with other schools as well. We are registered in Nigeria. Yes, we are registered as a limited company in Nigeria, and we have our official paperwork. You can actually send the message to us, and then we provide you all our information for you to verify that we are actually real and legit.
Can they pay instrumentally?
Sure, of course. We all know the economic hardship of Nigeria presently, and something I have been doing for my students actually that are coming over from Nigeria, or let me say clients, yeah, in an official way. Something I have been doing for them is, in Synergy here, you are asked to pay 50% of the tuition fee and the admission processes fee, and other schools here, majorly in Moscow, you are going to pay 50% to start your processes. But because of the economic hardship in Nigeria, I actually limited the money. I was able to bargain with them that if we have 40% of that fee, we can actually start your program until you actually acquire your visa at the Nigerian embassy. Once you've gotten your visa, then you can begin to pay us the remaining balance subsequently until your arrival here in Moscow.
If you're coming down here, what are the things that I should prepare for? Like, okay, when it comes to settling down, the weather, maybe the food, and then and campus life. What should?
Okay, judging by experience, coming down here, well, you don't really need to prepare for much. Just get your, okay, let me start with the weather part. Actually, it is really cold here in Moscow, especially during the winter season. It is very cold. I would advise you to get your jacket, and if you don't have one, you can actually send your money. We can help you get a jacket. On arrival, we give it to you, or you can actually get something thick. You put it on. When you get here, you can actually buy whatever you want to buy here. You have everything here, very cheap actually. We have African market, we have Nigerian market. Whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to buy, you want to buy, you want to go to the mall, everything is here for you. And also at Sunkky Travels and agency and tours, we also offer a free day tour to our clients. We take you around the metro, we take you around the subways, we take you around the train stations, we show you the market, we show you the malls. We take you around so that you can settle down very well.
You know the way things were in Nigeria before you came, the process you went through and everything. So can you just tell people the step by step of their own preparation You are here. There's nothing much you can only tell them what to do. So
Yeah,
tell them what to do step by step on how to prepare your document to come to Russia. Can you please do that?
Okay, let me start like this. I'm here and we also have a team over there in Nigeria
that's
actually
good.
that handle things actually. So, but let me start from the point of application. The moment you actually apply with us, from that moment, you are submitting your document. If you are going for your BSc certificate degrees, you are submitting your YE certificate and your passport to us. Then we begin the application processing. For the master's degree, you are going to be needing your transcript, your YE certificate, and also your BSc certificate. Then your passport as well. So after the application processes and we have issued you your invitation visa, you will head straight to Abuja. Once you get to Abuja, the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be going to the Ministry of Education for authentication of your documents. And I think that won't cost you more than 3,000 or 2,000 naira. Very cheap. Just walk in there, apply for authentication of your documents. They will get it authenticated for you within hours. And after you've authenticated your educational documents, you take it over to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, just directly opposite to the Ministry of Education. The same place. Just 3 to 5 minutes walk, you are there. You enter the place, you pay around 300 or 600 or something thereabouts to authenticate your document as well. The total money you're going to be spending both at the Ministry of Education and at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, I think around 5,000 naira should cover the expenses. Then after you've authenticated your document officially with the Nigerian government, then you will head straight to the Embassy of the Russian Federation to submit this authenticated document.
Many people were given visa.
Yeah.
Some
Likewise.
few were denied.
Okay.
Why? Why are they being denied? Why are they being denied? Of course, I've been given admission. The school is expecting me.
Of course.
I have my invitation. And why is my visa being denied?
Okay.
Like what can I do to avoid my visa to make sure that my visa is approved?
Oh, that's very lovely. I love that question actually. Okay, some of the things we do to make sure that you are not being denied of visa is number one, we make sure that you are within the age requirement from the point of application. Because once you are above the age requirement, definitely there's going to be problem at the embassy. That's one. Secondly, we are going to be checking your document thoroughly to see that you are not having any contradictions, for example, with your names. Okay. Let's say you are having ABC on a particular document and you're also having BCA on those are things that actually cause issues at the embassy. So we are going to go through your documents together. We are going to arrange everything together, names for names, age for age. We make sure everything is intact. Then you walk into the embassy, you submit your documents correctly, which must have been screened by us. Then you take it there, you submit it, and you apply. You go out, and you are done.
You need police clearance. You will need HIV certificate and stuff like that. Especially that police clearance. Do students still need
about the police character report? I think that's what you're talking about. It is not needed. We don't need your police character report from the First Criminal Investigation Bureau. No, we don't need it. The only requirement we need aside your educational document is your HIV certificate. Yeah, you can actually get that done over there at Abuja or any registered hospital, not a private hospital. I mean a general or government hospital. You can just do it around 1,000, 2,000. You are done. Okay. Yeah, that's it. You don't need police character report, and you will not be called to come to the embassy. You just walk down to the embassy, submit, and you come back after 2 days to get your visa. It is as easy as that.
Just 2 days.
Just 2 days from the day of submission.
Sunkky Travels is trusted. I won't bring someone that is not trusted here. Yeah. That is one thing about me. I will not, if I don't know you well, I will not bring you on my channel. So you can trust him, and I will leave his number and his contact, the link to his website. I will put everything in the description box so you guys could check it out. Do you understand? If you have any further question you want to ask, maybe I didn't cover all your questions, you could contact him directly. So I'm going to leave the link in my description box. Thank you guys for always being here.
Thank you.
We love you.